I thrifted a picture frame or a photo frame which is 8 inch by 10 inches in size, and this was about $3.50 approximately. It's in a perfect shape, and I just removed the glass, and I'm going to change the contents of this photo frame and turn it into a delicious and beautiful gift for somebody. The first step is to get a pretty paper. It could be a scrapbooking paper, a wrapping paper, any kind of printed out paper, or one can DIY own paper. I just used some pastel shades in traditional color, light pink and green, and I made my stripes to get my pretty paper. Now I'll just replace the background of my picture frame with this pretty paper. Buntings make every space happy, so I decided to make one over a piece of plain white paper. I used some felt tip pen, red and green in color, and drew my little bunting outlines only, and then I filled the inside with red and green crayons and then just cut it out. Next, I took a piece of cardboard and cut it into three triangular shapes of varying heights, and they would look like pine trees, and I colored them with dark green crayons. Next, I took the picture frame and added some glue in the lower edge of the paper and stuck to it a little bit of green pine leaves. I guess these are pine leaves. And then I added my fir trees on the backdrop, a tall one on one side and the two shorter ones on the other side. Then I have got these chocolate balls. These are the delicious addition to my DIY, and I'm going to create a Christmas tree out of these. I used some sturdy double-sided tape to attach these chocolate balls onto the background. First I made a pyramid shape, then the trunk of the tree, and finally attached a red sparkly star. I added one more chocolate ball as the trunk of my tree was looking a little short. And then finally I added the happy touch, the bunting, by just gluing the ends on either side. A gift is never complete without a bow, so a little red bow for the other corner of this frame. And now I wanted to add a little more details to make this frame look complete. So a little felt pen touches at the back to show the backside or the forest of pine and fir trees. And I think this little details just completes my DIY. I think everybody likes to have their cake and eat it too. Well, this DIY is just the example. It's a pretty sight to behold and a delicious gift, a delicious treat to have. I hope you liked my today's DIY. Please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon in my next video. Take care.